Click on the classroom that you wish to go to, click on classwork, and you will see that I have an assignment called Google Draw. It has instructions. Learning objectives are to create shapes and show me that you can change the color using the bucket tool. Hover over the Google Drawings file in this box and click it. This will open the Google Draw file that you can work on. So what I want you to learn is to insert shapes. If you look at Google Draw, it has the undo and the redo, just like KidPix. Today I'd like you to concentrate on shapes. This is the shape tool icon, and when you click it, it gives you a drop-down menu, and you can select whether you want these types of shapes here, or arrows, or callouts, or equations. You select what shape you would like. You click it, and you will get the cross of Jesus. You click, drag, release. Once you have a shape on your canvas, notice that you have new things going on. First of all, the shape has these controllers. These boxes allow you to make the shape bigger or smaller. If you look at this round icon right here, when you hover over it, it becomes a cross. If you click on it, it allows you to rotate your shape. The other thing I want you to notice is that if I click on the shape, all of these different options appear, but if I deselect it, they disappear. So if you want to change the color of your shape, make sure that you click on it first, then go to the bucket tool and select a new color. Let's do that one more time. You're going to click on the shape, select a shape that you would like to insert. You will get the cross of Jesus, just like in KidPix. You click, drag, and release. If I deselect it, all of these different tools disappear. So I'm going to make sure that I select it so that I can change the color. Please complete your assignment by creating at least 3 shapes and changing their colors. I can't wait to see your work. When you are done, go back to the classroom, and if you click on View Assignment, you will see that this page will appear, and this is where you can actually turn in your work. So it will ask you, are you sure you want to turn it in? Yes, you do. And now you have completed your work. Good job.